So how's your day?
Good. How was yours, sweetie?
Good. Oh, yay! Oh no, she's gonna get it. She's gonna sleep good tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Our grass is kind of a little brown.
Mm-hmm.
Look, Ryan. Kick it, honey. Kick it,
Come
honey.
on, show mommy.
Oh, look at that running girl. She's very mobile, isn't she?
Mm-hmm.
Are there no ants over there?
I think the cold weather.
Kick it, honey. Good girl. A good girl, good girl. Kick it, honey.
It's a birdie.
Oh, birds. Get your ball. Careful, lovely, careful. Oh. Oh, she's scared of the bird, huh? Are you scared of the bird? No, you're not.
Give it the ball. Give it the ball.
Let's go get the ball. Come, let's go. Where's the ball? There you go.
You
And, yeah. Okay. Yay. All right. Give to Dada na. Give to Dada. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Kick it, honey. Kick it. Yay! Ay, 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 ay. Yay! She runs really good.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice evening.
It's beautiful out.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
What you got? Oh, you took a video. Oh, I see. She likes running, huh? I got double now. Her and you and the ball. Great. Oh, nice. There she goes. Dada was taking video of you, honey. Let me give my baby a kiss. Let's see, more for the meantime. So we can take a video. Mommy, mommy and baby. And Dada.
Look, she kicked it under the car.
Oh, really? How'd you get it?
I got it.
You know, sometimes